Hi, so today's video I am showing you how to install the requirements on macOS. So at first you need to check that the Python is installed properly or not. That's why I am checking the pip3 detached version, and you can also check it with the Python detached version. So when it is confirmed that the installation is successful, I am trying to navigate to the folder, but it's one of my clients PC, so I don't know the location very well. That's why first time I made a mistake, actually first two time, and I made a mistake that I didn't found the right directory. So once I found the right directory, then I navigated to that directory by typing cd, then a space, and then the name of the folder. So the folder was in the desktop, so I just put it here cd, then desktop, and when I reach to the desktop, then I go to the toolkits folder, and that was cd toolkits. And after going to that folder, then I have to install the requirements. And to install the requirements, I can just type here, as this is mac os, I need to type here pip3 instead of pip in windows. So pip is used in windows, and in mac os you need to type pip3 install, then dash r, then space requirements.txt. And when you do this and press enter, this type of pop-up may show up, so you just need to allow it, and then just keep it installing the things, and it will install all the requirements that are needed. So this was it, and if you need anything else rather than this, you can just let me know. I will try my best to help you out. Thank you.